Hello, 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 hello. Okay. So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this stream we are going to finish up the remaining website because I don't want to extend it further, and it is very time consuming to edit and upload it. So I plan to do it in a single live stream. So let's get started. So I have already tried to do that edit to do that programming further, and I have came up with many ideas. So I have also added some fonts and added some pngs for showcasing that, and I have added the font family here for the all text on the page, and here are some four pngs which I collected. So here guys, if you are a freelancer or service provider, then you can put it service provider, then you can use service. Or else if you just want to create a portfolio to showcase your skills, then you can put skills here. So I am going to put skills here. Let me change. Okay, so let's start with the next part of this process. So I'm going to one second. Okay, my audio is coming. So let's just start with the next part, and let me just add the section. So this part, for this part I am going to give the home title. So sorry, for the next part which we are going to build, so I am going to give it the home section. So I am going to give section class home. It would be better if I give it profile class as profile and id as home. Here I will put id is equals to home. After doing that, I am going to add two divs. So this is div 1 and another div 2. Okay, so in the div 1 I am going to add an image of the profile. If you want to add, you can add your profile image. So let me just add the div class so that we can alter it in the css file. So we are going to create photo name as class name as photo slash div, and then we are going to enter the image tag, and the photo I am going to add its name is profile.jpg. Here it is. This is a simple for the temporary use I am going to use this. So you can add your photo, it's your choice. And then for the next, we will go to the next div, and next div I am going to give the class as my name. In this div I am going to tell my name and other things. So let me just add h1 classes title, no text, and I will write, one second guys, text. So I'm going to write hi. This it's your choice, whatever you want to write you can write, it depends on your thoughts. So I'm going to write paragraph tag. I'm just writing this to showcase you as an example. If you want you can write any of them. Em tag is used for giving the design to the text, like bold, like that stuff. Okay, this is done. This section is done, and next section I am going to write. So I am going to first write HTML fully, and after that I am going to go to the CSS file so that we can finish it faster, or I can do stream next time so that it would be easier for you to understand all the things. I just want to finish it today, that's my main aim. This section is going to about skill ID, so let's give a title to about me. And paragraph tag, and I'm going to leave it crop. Process text to so Sorry for the disturbance. There are some dogs outside my house. So you can, if you, I am just going to show you as example. So if you want to write anything else, you can write. I will just create a random character line. So this should be enough. And let me go to the next part. My main target for this is to finish this series because I don't want to extend it further. Let me just reduce the audio. Okay. There is too much of dogs disturbance. Please don't mind it. Sorry for the disturbance that you're suffering now. If you want to copy this code and alter it yourself, if you want to, without writing, making it easier for you to do it, I have already uploaded it on the GitHub, and the link for the GitHub is in the description. You can directly copy the code and alter it by yourself. It depends on you, but if you copy it and alter it, it would be it would not be good thing to do because you won't learn anything. Try to develop your skills. Page 2 tab. Okay, so next I'm going to add a div because this is something that is very useful for, which would be very useful for you. So I will create So it is a very useful tool for, it would be very useful if you know this thing. It animates like it keeps the animation work going continuously in a circulation. The text would be always moving without stopping at any point. This is a very good animation to learn and easy to add to the page. So I am going to make it to go to the right position. You will understand it when at the ending part that I am adding some images like this logos, and it would be going on this direction like this and coming again from this direction and continuously going like this. You will understand after seeing it. And now I'm first going to add this and then CSS, then I will show you how it is going to look. So let's see. Okay, we are now nearly finished. Section. Contact. So in the last section I am going to tell you about the inline CSS thing idea. You will understand what is inline CSS. To do inline CSS we are going to use style tag inside of them, and now we can add anything you want. Instead of going to the CSS file, you can add it here. So I'm going to with 100%, and continuously you can write without adding another tag for style tag. Back. Then I'm going to add h3 tag, and I'm also going to give it a style. Color white. Font size 30 pixels. Here I have a mail ENG, and I'm going to give it a class icon because I'm going to use it as an icon image. This icon, which I'm going to give the style. Right. Now if you want, I'm not going to link this is not my actual email. So if you want to link any of your email, you can use link tag to link it so that it can be easier for you, but I'm not going to share my email now. I don't want to showcase of my email. Now if you there are three ways to write CSS, like this is inline style like this, and one more option is there like style to style tag. In this you can give CSS, write your CSS in single page. It would make it easier to look by scrolling, but I would recommend you to use inline or the second page by creating a second file also. But I won't recommend doing this because for this you have to scroll continuously and above and down, move up and down. So let's just commit the HTML file first, and let's wait. Okay, now let's go to the CSS file and add the CSS file. So as you can see that I have added the new font family here so that it take effect on the full website. So I am going to add few additional things here. Like header, display, flex, justify content, center. So guys, if you want the code, if you are watching this live now, so and you want to go copy the code or write the code or alter the code, you can do it by cloning that CS link in the description. I will provide the GitHub link in the description. You can clone or copy from there. It would make your easy to code, because if you are starting now by watching this stream, then it would be far more easier if you continue from the middle to understand. So let's main this sorry fix direction column, alignment and center. Okay, let's start with the rest of the part. So 13 pixels and 50 pixels. And border radius. Margin. Let's change something here. 242. 54. 37. If you do this like this, so it would differ, the shade would differ. Otherwise the shade would be same for let's blow one. Margin 0. Font size 1.5 frame. let's just push it and check the website once. Now it looks. Oh, sorry, one second. So it looks a little bit messy. So let's just fix it, and then this will come in center. Just do it now. And this profile would come in center. I was telling about this animation, this like moving in this. You can also alter its speed if you want. You can check it on Google or ask for ChatGPT. Ask it to ChatGPT and I will tell you. So once again, I will check why the size of the photo. Answer. Once again, photo.t. Here it is. So there are some missing. Okay. You might have missed something, but it should have come in the center part. So let's check it at the end once. So this is how it looks like now. So let's finish it, and after that if something comes up we will alter it. Text. No, sorry. You have added the text part. Dot title. Also in this check because sometimes it delays. Stop upload. it's not uploading. I don't know why. So let's take look at that. Load text to and text center. Let me just post it, commit it, and take a small break because it would take time to get updated on the website. It will take time to get updated. Until then, let's have a small break. So let's wait. The GitHub. I don't know why the GitHub is not working now. It is very slow. It is not. It is still not updated. So guys, the change has been committed, but still the GitHub updated has not been updated. It would take time, some time. There are some checks pending. One check pending. Now it has been checked. I don't know why, but still it's not working. I don't know where the problem is. So guys, what I will do is I will check it and fix that code and then commit again, and so that you can check it out. So I'm going to end the stream here now because it's too late for me. So see you in the next video. I will try to upload a video